how the view is, guys. Oh my god. This is the best place to watch the sunset. As you can see, definitely Jambo House has won so many awards. Like if you check on booking.com, it's currently the highest rated guest house here. As you can see, 9.3 2017, 9.1 2018, and 9.1 in 2020. Like that's really amazing reviews. Coastal World is 9.6. So like it's got very high ratings. It's a place you would definitely enjoy your stay when here. That looks like watermelon juice, right?
This is watermelon juice.
Yeah. Wow, you guys. I'm so excited for my breakfast. Wow. And you said your name,
My
what?
name is Fred.
Fred.
Your name?
My name is Eva.
Eva.
My name is Sylvie.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
And as you can see, here's a Jambo House Lamu guest house. Wow, yeah, you guys, this is the place to be. If you're looking for budget,
Thank
accommodation,
you.
clean,
Thank you.
good food, as you can see here. Oh my god. Like,
You check me.
yes, we do.
What's your call?
I'll take one. Yes. Here you guys, my breakfast. You guys, did I tell you breakfast is served here? Like fresh fruit. Look, well, we're having mango, watermelon, and watermelon juice, guys. Like for $18 a night. You guys, you have no excuse for coming to Lamu. Yeah? Jenny Lamu Jambo House in Lamu Town. That is Shiko. She just woke up. Lucky her.
Forever.
Oh guys, look at my breakfast. I had ordered for French toast. Oh my god, it looks so appetizing. Our accommodation for today, Jambo House. Let's check it out.
Lodge very nice.
Hello guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of Jambo House. So come on with me, I'll take you. So let me just close the door. Let's see. So I'm just gonna show you up. So you walk up this staircase. So as you walk up this staircase, and these are the guest rooms. So I'm gonna show you. Matondoni. Matondoni is where we are staying, and it has so as you can see, a very basic house. Room. It has one single bed and a double bed there. Sorry, my friend is sleeping. Yeah, and then from Matondoni house, there's this other one. This is Shella. So Shella is currently occupied, so I won't show you inside. And then there is Lamu. This is Lamu, has a favorite part of this room because this is how the room looks like. As you can see, it's basic, but it has everything basically that you need. There's a fan. This is the shower. And there's a hanging place there. And this is the shower. As you can see, everything has been taken into consideration. There's towel. I'll show you the balcony. This leads to a balcony. over here. You can just come and sit in the traditional Swahili. You can just come here and hang out with a drink or something. Yeah, with a friend, and then it's really beautiful, and it gives you that awesome view. So you get this view here. Yeah. Okay. So let me show you. And you can hang your clothes here if you want. There's a hanging line, and yeah. So let me take you to the rest of the place. So we're gonna close this door, and I'll take you to the rest of the place. Okay. Come on, let me show you the rest of the place. There's a public toilet here. So this is just as simple as it is. It's just a public toilet that anyone can use. Anyone can use. Just basically a toilet and a sink. Going up, keep going upstairs. Yeah. And then they have this cooler box where they put ice stuff, and you can pretty much, if you want to get any drink here, you can have it, but just let the owner know, and they'll put it on the bill at checkout. And Arnold, the owner, as you can see, he's like so much traveled, and he puts all out of places he's been. And this is places where the guests have come from. So you can see he's put a map. Pretty much people from all over the world have been to Jambo House, yeah? So he's put this amazing map, and he pins, anytime guests come to his place, he pins where they are from, yeah? As you can see, he gets a lot of visitors, like from pretty much Europe, the US, South America, of course Africa. I wish Africa had more pins, but there's more Europeans visiting Jambo House and more Americans than even Africans. Guys, let's do something. Chinese are also here, India. So basically Asia, there's people from Australia, New Zealand, like pretty much the whole world comes to Jambo House. This is definitely the place to be. This is like one of my favorite places. So there's this area here, it's like a common area where we also take our breakfast. And there's a workstation, there's Wi-Fi, there's a little library here. And this was our water. And this is the breakfast setting that has been prepared for us. And so pretty much very, what can I say, like it's very breezy here, like you don't feel like you're in Lamu when you're here because of you can see the reef is Makuti. So there's all this Makuti touching that keeps the place really cool, like especially in the day at 29 degrees you can sit here and it feels like 15, yeah? So we'll just come on and I'll show you. So of course this is where they hang the clothes, and then there's all this sitting area. You can actually just come here and relax on this Swahili bed. Guys, oh my god, it is so relaxing. And there's even a curtain room up there, like, guys, come to Jambo House. And there's more sitting space here. You can come and hang out here. More sitting space. Guys, it's so cool here. And of course, there's a view. Very, very good. And that's not the end. Like, guys, it's right with some flowers here. It's really, really beautiful. Going up, there's still some more sitting space here. I'm just gonna show you some more sitting space. Come up the stairs with me. And god, the view here. And of course, there is more sitting space here as well. I could live here. I could live in Lamu, guys. So beautiful here, guys, and the views are amazing. And there's more space up. I'm gonna take you up. There's more space. It's even more amazing views. The best place to watch the sunset. Well, guys, and that's the tour of my accommodation in Lamu Town. So I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom where you can contact the owner Arnold if you want to book. So the rates start from 1,600 Kenya shillings, that's $16 per person. With breakfast is $1,800. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.